Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about troubleshooting keyboard related issues on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best result, you come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now we're going to go on the left side and select troubleshoot. And you want to go now on the right and select additional troubleshooters. Scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems, select keyboard, find and fix problems of your computer's keyboard settings, and select run the troubleshooter. And then see if there are any issues detected or found, and you can view additional information if you want to see what it looked for. Pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.